Hey everyone, welcome back to Prime Block Capital. I'm your host, Funcho Ajibade. Today, Bitcoin is sitting strong above $106,000, just shy of its all-time high. But the real story, institutions are still buying and retail doesn't even realise. Altcoins are quietly setting up for a major rotation. We'll break down the new data, show you where smart capital is flowing, and give you clear actions to take this week to position your crypto portfolio for maximum growth. So let's dive in. So here's where we're at. Bitcoin's at just over $106,000. ETH's over $2,500. Solana's at about $167. XRP $2.34. The Fear and Greed Index is at 71 out of 100, and the Altcoin Index is 24 out of 100. The global market cap, $3.33 trillion. We are in a classic Bitcoin dominant phase. Institutions are piling in, whales are not distributing, and derivatives are still neutral. This is not the end, it's the early acceleration phase. And remember, altcoins usually follow, not lead in these moments. Now let's talk real news, the kind that matters. Firstly, KULR Technology Group just added another $85 million worth of Bitcoin to their treasury. Metaplanet in Japan just pushed their holdings over 1,000 Bitcoin, and JPMorgan is now offering Bitcoin exposure to select clients, a total reversal of Jamie Dimon's prior rhetoric. Meanwhile, the US Senate is advancing a stablecoin regulation bill that could finally put clear frameworks around USDC and Tether. This is a huge step forward for compliance. And on the AI side, we're still seeing fallout from the $600 million Saudi AI summit. That event brought together Trump, Elon Musk, Palantir's CEO, and OpenAI. It's already influencing token flows into projects like RNDR, ASI, and FET. So what are we doing for clients at the moment? How we're adjusting client portfolios? Three-tier model for this week. Low risk clients, 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in ETH, 15% in stablecoins, and 10% in cash. For those balanced portfolios, we're looking at 40% Bitcoin, 30% ETH, 15% in AI infra like RNDR, SUI, TIA, ASI, 10% in cash, and 5% in meme scalps. High risk, we are looking at 30% Bitcoin, 25% ETH, 25% in AI narratives. That's again ASI, RNDR, FET, SOL, and then 10% breakout capital and 10% dry powder for dips. Now, these allocations are all about capital preservation with upside. So here's something new, wallet flow rotation. We've been tracking a wave of smart wallets moving out of meme coins like WIF and Pi and into SUI, the big dev ecosystem growth. Whales are quietly loading, and then RNDR GPU infrastructure plays are being bought post the AI summit. TIA early Celestia ecosystem bets are gaining traction. Then ASI and FET quietly consolidating with buy zones opening. Now this tells us something simple. Smart capital is prepping for alt season before it shows up on trending pages. Now, what should you do? Firstly, don't chase alts yet. Build positions in strength. Secondly, watch volume over price. Flows matter more than candles. And thirdly, make sure you're using the right tools like Look On Chain, DeFi Llama to track where TVL and wallet activity are heading. So final thoughts. Look, this is not a market to gamble. It's a market to build wealth long term. If you're sitting in stables, unsure what to buy, reach out to us. If you're stuck in dead alts, will show you how to rotate out smartly. If you made profit this cycle, will help you lock it in without giving it all back to HMRC. At Prime Block Capital, we're not here to trade dopamine. We're here to build long-term winners. So if you want help, you can email us info@pbcapital.finance, or you can call us or join our free Crypto Insights Hub. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and follow us depending on where you're watching this. I'll see you tomorrow with another breakdown, and remember, stay sharp out there.